That's scary. I remember that too, dude. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do my intro to my video. You wanna be in a video? Alright. Hey, buenos dias, ¿qué pasó, amigos? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Today is just a quick fun video. We're taking my little buddy. He completed 1 week in school, right? Kindergarten. How was it, dude? Did you have fun? Yeah. We gotta buckle that up, man. Bam. Alright. Jack Attack completed one. Let's go, big guy. He completed a week in school, and this way. He's a tender-hearted little dude, you know, pretty shy, and he struggled those first couple days, but he did it like a champ. And I told him after a week, okay, put your feet right here, or do you want to sit in the front? Let him sit in the front. Now, ideally, would it be awesome to have like full protective gear and everything? Yeah, absolutely. We aren't even hitting the main street. Could something happen between here and there? Yeah, something technically could happen. If this triggers anybody that I take my kid for a ride on a motorcycle, then I guess I'd have to say you may have to move away from John's Moto Garage, because this is just how we roll. Anyway, I'm taking Jack Attack to the local Walgreens. We're gonna pick out some candy. He did an awesome job his first week in schoolio, and so it's a well-deserved, well-earned treat. And of course, we're rocking on the FZ-07. Looks like it's about to storm out here. And as always, if you dig the content, be sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to hit me on Instagram at John's Moto Garage. I think this for sure will be one video where I don't do a single wheelie aside from the introduction, because that's one thing I won't do, is a wheelie with my kid chilling on the bike. Buying candy on the FZ-07. What a concept, man. Oh yeah, but then I woke up and I did yard work for the entire day. I had to catch up on some much needed yard work stuff, so finally Jack Attack had been asking all day if we could go get his treat. That's one of those things, it's like, you know, I hate to be that dude ignoring my kid, you know. Hopefully the battery still works when I get back out here. Okay, let's go get some candy. Howdy. Alright, dude, pick whichever one you want, man. Dark side Skittles, huh? Do you want to pick some out for the bros and sister?
I changed my mind.
You changed your mind?
Yeah.
Now what do you want? So indecisive, man. These kids these days, this new generation, they can't decide on their candy. No, dude, this one costs $2 and it's like not even a lot of candy.
No.
This is like the Honda Grama candy, you know? You don't get a lot of bang for your buck. You sure you want that instead of Skittles? Alright, dude. Alright, let's pick some stuff out for the other people. I'm a big fan of Charleston chews. 4 for $4.
Look, gummy bears. Yeah.
Okay, we'll get one of those for her. No.
Watch the kid.
This one? Okay, can you throw that one in the basket? Nice shot, buddy. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nos faltan 3. We need 3 more.
Oh, it's down.
Hey, see if you can do it from all the way over here, dude. You think you can shoot it from all the way over here? Try it from right there. Alright, go for it. Oh, overshot it. Try again, dude. So close, dude. Alright, one more time. Bam. High five it, bro. Bones. Good shot. Do we have enough? There you go. First try, dude. Let's do the chocolates. So close, dude. That's a lot of candy, dude. Ooh, Powerade. Mommy likes Powerade, right? I think you're gonna get trapped in the refrigerator, dude. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Getting all the essentials, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Have a good one.
Right on, thank you. Can you carry this, dude? You think you can carry that?
Nope.
That's too heavy, dude. That's a lot, dude. I can't believe we got so much candy, man. Hey, stay tuned to the very end and see how much money we spent on candy and Powerade. Dang, this is a lot of candy. Woo! No one-handed wheelies, dang it. I was actually learning one-handed wheelies. Like and subscribe if you dig the content. There it is, we did it. All right, buddy, here. All right, let's see what all we were able to get. I lost my receipt on the way back, but we were able to get 8 boxes of candy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes of candy. 1, 2, 3 things of Powerade. Cost us about $13.50. All right, there you have it. Taking the FZ-07 to do a candy run. This thing works perfect for that. As always, like and subscribe if you dig the content. We'll hit you up on the next one, John's Moto Garage. Hit me on Instagram at John's Moto Garage. And hasta la vista, los vemos, adios.